Welcome to Longo's Virtual Cooking School. I'm Chef Tanya. I'm the product developer here at Longo's. Join me as I show you how easy it is to make tasty, satisfying recipes for you and your family. My goal is to convince you that you don't have to be a trained chef to make good food. I'm here today at our Longo's Cooking School at our beautiful Stouffville location. We look forward to having you back at our Loft Cooking Schools when we reopen again. Today's recipe is plank grilled, plant-based meatballs from our summer issue of our Longo's Experience magazine. It's a great recipe for those of you who are embracing plant-based eating every day, or just some of your meals. We're making this recipe indoors today. If you were doing this on the barbecue, the first thing you would do is prepare the cedar planks by soaking them for 1 hour. Why do we soak the planks first? So they don't burn and flare up when we place them on the grill. So let's get started and prepare our meatball mix. First, you'll need ½ cup of crushed Longo's barbecue potato chips. This is a great step to get your kids involved with cooking. Just place the chips inside a resealable bag and crush them. This is the fun part of the recipe. And when you're done, let's place these in a large bowl. Now let's add 2 packages of plant-based ground protein for your meatballs. Next, we're going to add 6 cloves of minced garlic, ½ cup of chopped sweet onion, and ½ cup of finely chopped parsley. We're going to add salt and pepper. We're going to add ¼ cup of Longo's barbecue sauce and just a pinch of cayenne. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients in your bowl gently. The secret to a tender meatball is not to overmix. Just want a nice, loose mix. Makes your meat nice and fluffy when it comes out of the oven. Next step, divide the mixture into 20 equal-sized portions. Make them the same size so that your meatballs cook evenly. To help you do this, use an ice cream scoop. Get your hands right in there. That's how you make a great meatball. Now, cover the meatballs with some cling wrap and refrigerate them for 1 hour so that the flavors really mix together. Okay, so we've pulled these out of the fridge. Next, we'll prepare the basting sauce. You'll need 1 cup of Longo's barbecue sauce, ¼ cup of Longo's honey. I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to brush a little bit on. In the oven, cook them to 350 degrees for 30 minutes, then baste them every 10 minutes or so. I think these are ready for the oven. And there you have it, barbecue plant-based meatballs that you can grill or bake in your oven.